Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute, been busy, actually been sick, but we back and we got things running again. New toy to the fleet. We have a boat. Yes guys, that's right, guys and girls, we have a boat. We have on paper it's 16.5, but there's a little length added to it. It's about 18 feet right now because it wasn't originally a catamaran. It was like one of those hulls where like it's circular in the front, you know what I mean, one of those old school hydroplaney looking things. Somewhere along the line somebody made it into a cat, and this is what we have here. Now, as for motors, I'm going with a 200 Mercury. We have two 200 Mercury on the head. That's for another video, another day. We got two 200 Mercury on the hair with some other pads, some midsection, foot, all type of stuff. Goodies for another video. But this is what we got going on here right now, guys. We have a 16.5. We can call it 18 feet just to run it off. We have an 18 feet catamaran added to the fleet. Now, I got this boat, just the hull, everything except the motor. The guy took off the motor and sold the motor. I didn't want that motor, but everything else for the boat I have. Now, the boat is currently in the process of being rewired by my brother-in-law, who is a certified boat technician, specifically for Honda. But yeah, everything is everything. I do need a spare wheel. I do need a spare wheel. I do need to hook up damn, what just happened? I hope my battery. Anyhow, we do need a spare wheel. Do need to hook up the battery. I'm with the battery, the trailer lights, spare wheel. This looks like trash. Gotta get me a new one or a new belt or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna paint the trailer. Well, paint trailer is pretty good, but we do got a little rust and stuff here. The wheels, I got a bunch of wheels. I'm not 100% sure what wheel bolt pattern this is, but I would throw some shoes on there if I do have them already. But I gotta get that spare. What else? So now the boat is being rewired, right? I have the 200 over there. I have the two 200s over here, right? But we have a little situation where now I'm in the process of moving a Cutlass. I really need to move the Cutlass because I need space to work on these motors. So my plan is move the Cutlass, have an engine hoist the engines out, make a stand, have the engines here, back the cars in so you can, whatever the case may be for the thieves, and just have the motors here working on. And then yeah, because this heavy as shit, and then I'm going to back the boat up and then rig the boat right here. Anyhow, but that's the plan, because I'm having hell maneuvering. The engines is in the truck right now because I can't even get out. I don't have an engine hoist. That's a different story for a different day. About to get one soon, but I wasn't planning on. This is new to me. I do need an engine hoist regardless for the car stuff, but anyhow, no, I really need an engine hoist. Anyhow, so the boat has 4 bilge pumps. Was informed to me by my brother-in-law. As you can see, he's currently rewiring everything. The boat came with speakers, radio works, everything, gauges, hot foot, back seat needs to be upholstered. I'm going to upholster the seats. I'm gonna do the whole boat nice, guys. I'm gonna repaint the boat because I mean, it kind of looks good from far, but that's from far. Because it's been did the boat's been did a minute ago. I'm going to redo the seats. Well, these seats could just be clean, you know, really and truly, but I have to cushion the back seat. Fuel tank, everything is good. 2 batteries. I might just get another battery for one of these just so they could be matching, just because I'm like that. Just gotta be matching. The transom, some point in time, may have to get done. I do got a little cracks here on the transom. Nothing too major, nothing scary, but I'm gonna get that dealt with. Oh, I got crack in a plate too. That's nothing I could get out of well back. That's aluminum. But yeah, jack plate up. I do need. Ooh, I gotta get a hydraulic jack plate, man. I thought this was hydraulic. Anyhow, I got to get the jack plate. I do need a 15-inch. The motors I have are currently 20 inches midsection. My brother-in-law did some measurement. He said we're gonna need a 15-inch. Definitely, that was in the plan already. Cause even when you jack up the motor, I ain't trying to be top heavy, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's about it, guys. I ain't really sure what to tell you guys, cause I ain't really dealing with it. He is, you know what I'm saying? I just say let's give him the green light, do your thing. But we got 4 bilge pump. We got a nice aluminum tank. The boat is kind of fairly heavy for what it is. It's sturdy from what I've been told. But yeah, so we're in the process of rewiring the whole thing. Then we're going rig on. We're going to put on those motors. No, motor. I actually bought the motor. I bought it. I found them for cheap. I bought one motor and then I seen another one for cheap. I just had to get it type stuff. You know how that go. Spare. Because this is what we into right now. So spare is needed. I don't know if I can blow a motor, blow a foot. Ain't no telling what's going to happen. But I am from the islands, guys. So, you know what I mean? This is not my first boat. This is definitely won't be my last. I actually had my first boat when I was 13 years old. You know what I'm saying? But this is what we got going on. With the 200, with those 200 carbureted motors, I might probably squeeze. We might probably aim for 80. But you know, if we put on at 250, which I don't really, my brother-in-law trying to go crazy. I'm personally, I lost a brother behind a boat situation already. My oldest brother. I got one more left, thank God. I ain't really trying to go too crazy and lose my life out there trying to do 100 and shit like that. But if we do put on at 250, I guess we could do what it do in America. If I carry this boat to the islands where I'm from, the water is way more choppy. I don't think I'll put on a 250 out there. You know what I'm saying? It's a 16.5, but we'll see. 16.5 feet, we'll see, man. I know these boat here is not for the traps. If I keep it in America, she could hold on at 250 all day. You know what I'm saying? Around here in the lakes and stuff like that. Going to the Florida Keys and stuff. But if she go in the island, I might just keep on the 250 or even go smaller with the 150 or 175 and just cool it, you know. I ain't trying to kill myself at all. But this is what we're going on, guys. This is what we got going on, guys. New boat to the fleet. Not new, but new toy to the fleet. And this is what we got going on. Already registered, licensed and insured, even though I ain't hit the water yet. But that's just the way you do things, you know. And yeah, until next time, guys, hit that like, comment, share, subscribe button. I've been sick, but we back again with a new toy off rip. Ain't to say that, you know what I'm saying, you take a break and you ain't been doing nothing, bro. You came back with a toy. So yeah, blessings, man. Shout out to God. 2 bilge pump on each side. That's crazy. But You know what I mean? That's what we got going on. I am going to put some this flooring. I ain't too sure I'm gonna do that. I'm not 100% sure the material. He told me the material, but that C material, that grippy material, I don't really care about the weight, because I ain't trying to compete with nobody. We're gonna put in some new gauges, of course. The steering wheel is plastic. We finna get rid of that. The foot throttle, I don't mind the foot throttle. He ain't really liking the foot throttle because he never really dealt with it and stuff like that. I don't mind. We're gonna see what happens. I don't mind, but I tell him knock himself out. Whatever he want to do, he will do. I'll actually have him later when he comes home from work. Give him a little interview and what's going on with the boat and stuff like that. Because he could tell you better than I can. You could say this his boat. You know what I'm saying? Type stuff. So that's what's going on. When he come home, I'ma definitely upload a video of him chopping it up on what we finna do with this hair. But until then, this is what we got going on, guys. Hit that like, share, subscribe button, man. We got more coming for you guys for sure. We got a boat to the fleet. We're not only just a car bike channel. Yeah, and she look clean too. Peace, man. Hit that like button. Clay with Minaj Garage. Out.